Hey y'all, welcome back to Queen Boss Beauty Cartel. Today we're getting into some resin magic. I'm making a plate, a teacup, and a little tray, all cute and custom of course. So grab a snack, chill out, and watch me get to work. Alright, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking, just kick back, relax, and watch me do my thing. Okay, so I had to step in real quick before y'all see me looking like I don't know what I'm doing. This mold right here, one of the hardest I've ever used. It looks like some spots aren't filled, but I promise you they are. I even tried to top it off after the camera cut off and it ended up overflowing, a whole mess. This one's for a birthday. So right here you see me adding a cute little Gemini charm to the plate. I'm using my fave UV resin from Let's Resin. It never lets me down. So you just saw me do a quick flash cure with my UV flashlight to keep everything in place. Now I'm popping it under the UV lamp to finish the job. All right, y'all, that's it for this resin birthday set. Plate, teacup, and tray all done. If you had fun watching me work and maybe struggle a little, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More crafty goodness coming soon. See you in the next one.